Okay, hi students, welcome back. I am Sanjiv and I will teach you computer science of class 10. Okay. Today, actually, last time I have started introduction to QBASIC. Okay. I will continue same chapter. Okay. Last time I was discussing about variable. Okay. What is variable and types of variable I have discussed earlier. Okay. And I have discussed that there are two types of variable. Okay, there are two, that is numeric variable and string variable. Actually, apart from numeric and string variable, there are two more types of variable. They are local variable and global variable. Okay, before this local and global variable, let me discuss about modular programming. Actually, in detail I will discuss later. But listen me, to understand this local and global variable, there is a need to discuss what is modular programming. Okay, then let me discuss first. Okay, what is modular programming? Okay, actually, the process in which a big program is decomposed into different small manageable tasks, different small manageable blocks, different units. Okay, is called modular programming. Okay, in modular programming approach, actually program is divided into different blocks, and such block what you mean that module. Okay, there are two types of module. Actually, they are main module and sub module. Actually, the module, the block which is written at the top of other modules, that is called main module, and the module which is written under the main module, that is called sub module. Actually, in a single program, in a single modular program, there is one module and maybe one or more sub module. Okay, look here. Actually, this is main module from here to there. This is main module, and from here 1, 2, 3, they are having sub module. Now, let me discuss about what is local and global variable. Let me discuss there. Actually, the variable, the name, the placeholder, which is declared inside the submodule, that is called local variable. Okay, and local variable is accessible within the block, within the module in which it is declared. That is, local variable is not accessible by the other modules. For example, here C equal to 2, D equal to 3. They C and D are local variable, and it is not accessible by this and this module. Similarly, another one is global variable. Okay, actually the variable which is declared inside the main module is called global variable. Okay, the variable which is declared inside the main module, that is called global variable. Actually, global variable is accessible by all other modules. For example, see here, actually A equal to 5, B equal to 6. Here, A and B are global variable. Okay, and this is accessible, and these A and B are accessible by all other modules. That means this module also can access, this module can also access, and this module also can access. I think it is clear. Now move to another. So actually, next topic is rules for creating variable. Actually, while creating a variable, okay, certain point we have to remember, certain things we have to keep in mind. Okay, and the different points are: number one, the first character of variable name must be an alphabet. Okay, actually variable always start with an alphabet. Yes or no? For example, A, B, C, and so on. Okay, that can be any case, either upper or lower case, but first character must be an alphabet. Actually, if you have started with any symbol, if you have started with any number, then that is considered as invalid variable. That means they are not valid variable. Next point is it may have alphanumeric character. Okay, actually you can use number, you can use symbol. Okay, but after first character is an alphabet. Okay, and after that we can use number or symbol. Next point is it should not have blank space. Okay, actually if you will put blank space between the variable name, then that is invalid. For example, you have written here. For example, you have written. For example, you have written n space e. Actually, here is a space. Okay, that's why it is considered as invalid. Okay, whatever variable name should not have blank space. Okay? If there is blank space, then that is considered as invalid. Next one is the string variable should terminate with $. Okay, if a variable is numeric, okay, then no need to terminate with $sign. But the variable is a string type, yes or no? Then there is a need to terminate with $sign. For example, name $. Okay, here this name $. Is what in a string variable. Actually, I have discussed previously that what is a string variable, what is numeric variable. Move to another. The variable name can be maximum of 40 characters. Okay, that means we can use variable name up to 40 characters. Yes or no? If we use more than 40, then that is considered as invalid. Okay, these all are all about. Okay, what is constant, their types, what is variable, their types, and rules for creating variable. Now move to next topic. Okay, one very important topic. Next one is operator. Let me discuss. Okay, what is operator? Actually, operator is a sign or symbol. Actually, operator is a sign or symbol which lies between two operands. Okay, again listen me, look carefully. Okay, actually operator is a sign or symbol which lies between two operands and performs certain operation. For example, in this expression, only this 5 minus 3. Here minus is an operator which lies between two operands 5 and 3 and perform subtractive job. Okay, that means subtract 3 from 5. Similarly, in this, okay, see here only 6 plus 3. Here plus is an operator, okay, which lies between two operands 6 and 3 and perform additive job. Okay, in this whole expression, okay, plus, asterisk and minus, they are operator, whereas 6, 3, 5 and 3, they are operands. Actually, there are different types of operator used in QBASIC. They are: number 1, arithmetical or mathematical operator; number 2, relational operator; number 3, logical operator; number 4, functional operator; and number 5, string operator. Now let me discuss about these different operators. First one is arithmetical or mathematical operator. Actually, the operators that perform simple arithmetical or mathematical job, that is called arithmetical or mathematical operator. That means the operator which adds two numbers, okay, multiply two numbers, calculates modulus, etc. Okay. Actually, in QBASIC, the different arithmetical operators Okay, they are plus, minus, asterisk, division, integer division, mod, caret or exponent, etc. Now see their meaning and their example. Actually, plus, okay, that means addition. Minus means subtraction. This multiplication, asterisk means multiplication. This is division. This is integer division. This is modulus. Yes or no? This is caret or exponent. Now see their example. Actually, 2 plus 2. Here plus is arithmetical operator. Add 2 and 2 equal to 4. 6 minus 5 means subtract 5 from 6 equal to 1. 5 asterisk 6 means multiply both 5 and 6. That means 5 6 are 30. Here, look here now. Actually, 25 division 4. Okay, this is division. Then actually this returns quotient. See here, 4 divided by 25. That is 4 6 are 24. Okay, 1. Here what will be? Nothing. Yes or no? 0.0. 4 2 are 8. Remainder 2. Now what will be there? 0. 4 5 are 20. Cross. Okay. That means 25 division 4 equal to 6.25. Now move to another operator. This is integer division. Yes or no? Means this returns quotient, but only this part, only integer part. Means it extracted, it removes the decimal part. For example, here 25 integer division 4. Okay, now what will be the answer? Answer will be 6. Similarly, next one is mod. Yes or no? Modulus. Actually, it returns remainder. For example, see here 4 divided by 25 divided by 4. The 4 6 are 24. Remainder 1. That means what will be answer? 1. I have discussed actually mod returns remainder. Okay. So what will be answer? 1. Next one is exponent. Actually in QBASIC, if you use directly 2 power 2, then it will be wrong. It is considered as wrong. Okay. How to write this? 2 caret. Okay. Means 2 power here 2 power 4. That is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 6. What will be answer? 60. This is all our notes, arithmetical or mathematical operator. Now move to another topic. Next operator, relational operator. Actually, the operator. Now move to next operator. That is relational operator. Actually, the operator which shows relationship between two things and perform comparative tasks between two entities or two values is called what relational operator. Again, listen. Actually, the operator which shows relationship between two things, between two values, okay, is known as a relational operator. Actually, here this greater than is relational operator which shows relationship between A and B, between two values, that is A is greater than B. Yes or no? Actually, the different relational operator used in QBASIC are greater than, less than, equal to, greater or equal to, less or equal to, and not equal to. Actually, greater than is same like mathematics, less than is also same like mathematics. Okay, greater than equal to is also same like mathematics. Okay, here greater or equal to. Okay, if you write like this in mathematics, use like this. If you use like this in QBASIC, then that will be wrong. Similarly, less or equal to. If you write like this will be wrong. If you write this not equal to,
in mathematics writing like this. Okay, if you write like this will be wrong. That means they are okay. Greater or equal to is written like this. Less or equal to is written like this, and not equal to written like this. Okay. Their example are A greater than B, A less than B, A equal to B, A greater or equal to B, A less or equal to B, and A not equal to B. Now move to another operator. Next one is actually logical operator. Actually, the operator that combines two relations. Okay, actually the operator that combines two relations. Okay, and then make decision and then produce logical answer, either true or false, either yes or no, is called a logical operator. Actually, in this expression, okay, and is an operator, and is a logical operator which combines two relations. One is this A greater than B, and next one is A greater than C. Okay, actually value is given there upside of one. Okay, value of A, B, and C is given. Okay, and on the basis of value of A, B, and C, it produces what answer. It produces logical answer, either yes or no, or true or false. Actually, the different logical operators used in QBASIC are number one, and operator, or operator, and not operator. Okay. Now let me discuss about this all. Okay. There are two statements are given there. Okay. First one is and operator. Actually, in the case of and operator, okay, there is two or more conditions. Okay, and produce only one result, only one output. If the conditions are true, if all the given conditions are true, then only result is true, otherwise result is false. That is, if any one given condition is false, or all the given conditions are false, then result is false. See in this table, first one is false, next one is also false, the result will be false. In another, first is false, next is true, the result will be false. First is true, next is false, the result will be false, and last one is true and true, the result will be true. That is it. From this table, it concludes that if all the given conditions are true, then only result is false. Okay, then only result is true, otherwise result is false. That is, if anyone or all the given conditions are false, then result is false. Now move to another or. Actually, in the case of or, there is two or more conditions. Okay, and only one result. If anyone or all the given conditions are true, then result is true, otherwise result is false. That is, result is false only if all the given conditions are false. See in this truth table. Okay, first one is false, next one is false, result is false. First one is false, next one is true, result is true. First one is true, next one is false, result is true. First one is true, next one is also true, result is true. That means from this table, it concludes that if anyone, okay, if anyone or all the given conditions are true, then result is true, and result is false only when all the given condition, that is first one, okay, all the given conditions are false, the result is false. Now move to another operator, not. Here is not. Okay, about not. Okay. Actually, in the case of not, there is only one condition and only one out. Actually, if condition is true, result is false, and vice versa. That is, if condition is true, result is false. If condition is false, result is true. See in this table, see in this truth table. Actually, first condition is, actually only one condition. Condition is false, result is true. Condition is true, result is false. Means from this table, okay, it concludes that if condition is false, result is true. If condition is true, then result is false. Okay, it is all about this operator and types of operator. No, actually it is all about okay, logical operator. Now move to another operator. Next one is functional operator. Actually, a ready-made function used on operator to perform certain tasks, certain work is called functional operator. That is, the ready-made function, this SQR, used on operator, this 25, to obtain desirable results, to perform certain work, that is called functional operator. SQR, int, fix, len, left dollar, mid dollar, right dollar, they are different example of functional operator. Okay, in this, actually see there, okay, print SQR 25. When you press enter key, what you get? You will get 5. Means a square root of 25 is 5. Similarly, print int 7.25. When you press enter key, what you get? Their output, that is 7. Actually, int function, okay, remove decimal parts and returns only integer value. Now move to a string operator. Actually, the operator which combine, which merge, which join two string, that is called string operator, and plus is used to merge, plus is used to combine two strings. Actually, plus is, if plus is used with two numbers, then it is considered as arithmetical operator. Yeah, but if it is used with two strings, between two strings, then it is considered as a string operator. For example, look here, one small program is given there. CLS A dot equal to good, B dot equal to by FLY, C dot equal to A dollar plus B dollar, print C dollar, END int. Okay. Then what will be output? Output will be A dollar, value of A dollar means good, plus value of dollar means hyphen by. That means the output of this program will be good by. Yeah. Now move to another topic. Next one is algebraic and basic expression. Actually, some expressions are same in both, means mathematics also and basic also. But some expressions are different. Okay, some operators are also used differently in basic, in QBASIC. See here, A plus B. If A plus B is written like this, in programming, in basic, in QBASIC, it will be same like this, A plus B. A minus B, same like mathematics, A minus B. A cross B. Okay, in mathematics, A cross B. Okay, it is written like this, A asterisk B in QBASIC, in basic. Next one is A by B. Okay, in mathematics, written like this, A by B. It is written like, okay, A by B like this. Next one is A plus B by 2. Okay, actually in basic, it is written like A plus B in a small brackets by 2 like this. Next one is A square. Okay, in mathematics A square, but in basic, in QBASIC, it is written like A caret 2. Next one is I equal to PTR by 100. Okay, in basic, it is written like this, I equal to P asterisk T asterisk R by 100. Actually, in program, if you write like this directly, I equal to PTR by 100, then you will get error. Okay, actually this is not valid. It is not valid expression. Okay, in this. Okay, if you write like this a square directly, then it will be wrong. In program, you have to write like this. Similarly, a plus b by 2. If you write like this in program, then that will be wrong. If you write like a by b, it will be wrong in that programming. You have to write like this a by b. Here a cross b. What you write in QBASIC? A aspect b, and they are same like mathematics. Now move to basic words. Actually, there are two types of basic words, and they are number one, reserved words, and number two, user defined words. Let me discuss about this reserved words and user defined words. Now, first one is reserved word. Okay, the predefined or built-in statements, commands, and functions. Okay, are reserved word of basic which has special meaning to the QBASIC translator. Okay, and it is not allowed to use as variable. Okay, if you use reserved words as variable, then it is considered as it is considered as invalid. Okay, and the different reserved words are let, input, print, etc. Now user defined word. Okay, actually the words which are used by the programmer during the time of designing the program is called user defined words. Okay, and actually the different user defined words are name, age, and price, etc. Actually, reserved words are program independent, whereas these user defined words are program dependent. Now move to another topic. Next topic is some immediate mode commands. Actually, in SC examination, you will get question from there. In question number 10C. Yeah. Now let me discuss. Okay. Actually, to execute these commands, to execute immediate mode commands, we have to go to immediate mode. What is immediate mode and how to go to immediate mode? I have discussed earlier. Though once listen. Actually, the mode of operation which lies below the programming mode, that is called immediate mode. Okay, and in this mode, after writing one line code, when we press enter, we will get their result. Okay, and generally these immediate mode is used to execute some immediate mode command like file, like mkdir, rmdir, chdir, etc. and to perform some mathematical calculation. Okay, and how to go to immediate mode? To go to immediate mode, we have to press F6 function key from the keyboard. And after doing the job, after completing the task, again we have to press same key, that is F6 function. Okay. Now let me discuss about different commands, different immediate mode commands. First one is files. Actually, this command is used to display all the files, directories and subdirectories stored in the disk. Okay, when write files and enter key, what you get? All the commands, all the items, all the files, directories and subdirectories stored in this, they are displayed. For example, and first let me discuss about syntax. Okay, syntax of this statement is file specification. Okay, for example, if you write simply files, okay, and press enter key, what you get? All the item, all the contents, that is, all the files, directories and subdirectories of different drive, means drives. Yeah. Next one is, for example, you have written files directory. What you get? You will get all the items, all the contents, that is, all the files, directories and subdirectories of drive. Yeah, okay. Then I have discussed here syntax. What is syntax? Actually, syntax is grammatical rule. Okay, syntax is grammatical rule of programming English. Okay, like English. Okay, there is a structure. For example, a structure of simple present is subject plus V1, V5 plus object. Like this. Okay, in programming, that is called what we mean syntax. Number 2 is mkdir. Let me discuss about this. Okay, actually, this command is used to make new directory. Yes or no? In the disk. Syntax is mkdir and path specification. For example, you have written mkdir monastic and press enter. What will you get? You will get a directory named monastic is created in default drive, that is in drive C. Similarly, another example is mkdir drive B monastic. When you press enter key, what will you get? You will get one directory named monastic is created inside the drive B. Yeah. Now move to another rmdir. Actually, rmdir command is used to delete, remove unnecessary directory from the disk. Okay, which is unnecessary, which is already unnecessary, taking what will be the space in disk, we can remove by using rmdir. For example, let me see first syntax. Syntax rmdir path specification. For example, rmdir monastic. And when you press enter key, what you get? You will get a directory named monastic is deleted, is removed from the default drive, that is from drive C. Second example is rmdir drive D monastic. When you press enter key, what you get? A directory named monastic is deleted from drive D. Yeah. Now move to another command. Next one is chdr, that is change directory. Actually, this command is used to change or open directory or drive. By using this, we can move to another directory. We can move to another drive. Yes, sir? Syntax is chdr path specification, and example is chdr monastic, and when you press enter key, then what you get? It changes to or open monastic directory. Next example is chdr drive D monastic enter key. Okay, then what you get? It changes to or open monastic directory of drive. Now next one is name. Okay, in some book you will get name dot else. In some book you will get simply name. And this is very important. Many times asked in essay examination. Actually, this command is used to rename the file. That is, this command is used to change the name of file. Okay, syntax is name word file name as new file name. For example, name ad.bs as edition number. For example, name ad.bs as edition.bs. Actually, this changes the name of ad.bs file to edition.bs. Yeah. Now next one is kill. Actually, this command is used to delete, remove unnecessary file from the disk. Actually, don't be confused here. Okay, kill is used to delete file or program, whereas rmdir is used to delete or remove unnecessary directory from the disk. Back here now. Actually, what I was discussing about kill. Kill command is used to delete, remove unnecessary file or program from the disk. For example, you have written actually syntax is kill file name. So, for example, kill ad.bs, and when you press enter key, what you get? You will get this file is written, this program is written from the default drive. That is add.bs is written from the default drive from the C drive. Next one is send. Actually, this command is used to open MS-DOS from QBASIC, and user can use MS-DOS command. Actually, by using shell commands, yes or no, user can open DOS, yes or no, and we can use different commands of DOS like md, cd, rd, et, etc. Okay, syntax is simply same, yes or no. For example, shell and enter key. When you press enter key, you will get DOS is opened from the QBASIC. Okay, that is you will get like this DOS commands, and we can execute different DOS commands here. Okay, and to return to the QBASIC editor, actually we have to press. Okay, we have to type exit commands and press enter key. We will back to where QBASIC editor. Now move to another last statement of this immediate boot command system. Actually, this command is used to exit from QBASIC and return to the operating system. Okay, using this command we can close QBASIC. Last time I had discussed that using this method also we can close QBASIC. Go to file menu and click on exit, and simply if you will type system and press enter key in immediate mode, then also you can close QBASIC. Syntax is system. For example, system enter key, then what you get? You will get QBASIC is closed and return to the operating system. For example, you have used what name? MS Windows. Okay, and you have opened this QBASIC and written their system and press enter key. You will return back to the Windows. Okay, thanks for today. Bye.